Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we are going to understand the application of the electrostatic precipitator, ESP. We will discuss in the detailed application of the electrostatic precipitator ESP. Next, we are going to understand the application of the electrostatic precipitator, ESP. We will discuss in the detailed application of the electrostatic precipitator ESP is given below. The first application is that the dry precipitator is used for the collection of particles like soot, ash, cement, extrusions. Next, the second application is that the wet precipitator is used to accumulate sticky and moist particles effectively. Next, the third application is that wet precipitators can effectively remove wet pollutants such as resin, oil, acid, tar, extrusions. Next, the fourth application is that the wet precipitators are also used for the cleaning of blast furnaces and metallurgical heating system gases. Next, the fifth application is that the electrostatic precipitators used in pulp and paper industries. Next, the sixth application is that electrostatic precipitators are also used in healthcare fields for the elimination of bacteria and fungus. Next, we are going to understand the application of the electrostatic precipitator, ESP. We will discuss in the detailed application of the electrostatic precipitator ESP are given below. Next, the seventh application is that electrostatic precipitators are used in power plants. Next, the eighth application is that the electrostatic precipitator is highly effective for smoke removal in industries and particulate matter elimination. Next, the ninth application is that electrostatic precipitators are used to recover some materials from the flue gas. Next, the 10th application is that the electrostatic precipitator is also used in zirconium sand for detaching the rutile in plants like dry mills and rutiles. Next, the 11th application is that the electrostatic precipitator is also used in industries for collecting abrasive materials. Next, the 12th application is that the electrostatic precipitators are used in chemical plants for removing acid mists. Next, we are going to understand the application of the electrostatic precipitator, ESP. We will discuss in the detailed application of the electrostatic precipitator ESP are given below. Next, the 13th application is that the electrostatic precipitators are used in machine shops for removing oil mists. Next, the 14th application is that electrostatic precipitators are also used in ventilation and air conditioning systems for purifying air. Next, the 15th application is that the electrostatic precipitators are also used for filtering explosive dust, mists, and materials from the fumes. Next, the 16th application is that the electrostatic precipitator is also capable of capturing fine black carbon powder or oxides and many more materials from the gas flow. Next, the 17th application is that the electrostatic precipitators are used in steam plants to remove the dust from flue gases. I hope everyone understands the application of the electrostatic precipitator, how it's used in present modern industries to eliminate the dust particulates matters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.